Hi guys, welcome back to the Luminous Lady, where we shine a light on the glitter that's actually just dust. So today we need to talk about the undisputed queen of cringe, और वो है आलिया भट्ट. I don't know if it's the Kapoor surname high or just a lack of self-awareness, but she has been on a roll lately. From making spiritual leaders look uncomfortable to trying way hard अंबानी insider बनने के लिए. So Alia Bhatt is giving us second-hand embarrassment like never before. Grab your chai, girls, because the tea is piping hot today. So, guys, what do you think? For Alia Bhatt, the Sadhguru saga is enlightened or just exhausting? So, why Alia is getting trolled nowadays? Actually, Alia sat down with Sadhguru recently. Now, regardless of how you feel about the man, the vibe was totally off. Alia was doing that thing she does. बहुत ही ज्यादा ओवर एनिमेटेड नोडिंग कर रही थी. The wide expressions were given by her. I'm so deep stares. और आलिया का restless body language that says I'm acting like I'm listening. So Alia asked him about sleep. When he said he sleeps 4 hours, she looked like she had just discovered fire. तो जो internet है, it's calling her out for overacting her curiosity. It feels less like spiritual chat and more like an audition for a movie about a spiritual chat. And now people are fed up of Alia's these cringe expressions. Now the social media users are saying, Alia, we have seen the public girl act for a decade. Why are you acting like a toddler hearing a bedtime story for the first time? और ये cute नहीं, ये cringe है.
27, 28 years, I manage with 2.5, 3 hours. And now I'm sleeping 4.5 hours, 4.5 hours, depends on the day.
That's it.
What do you mean, that's it?
4.5 hours.
That's a fourth of the day.
I sleep for 9
Oh.
or like 8.
When will you live?
No, but all we are told is sleep and rest and sleep, and it's where your body repairs itself, right? Everybody's nodding away. That's
No,
all
no,
we're
no.
told.
Why did you damage your body first of all? The people ask me, Sadhguru, what do you do to unwind? I say, I don't wind myself up. Why do you wind yourself and why do you go and unwind?
But guys, wait. It gets worse. The latest buzz is Alia referring to Neeta Ambani as भाभी. मतलब उसने नीता अंबानी को भाभी कहा. How can she say that? मतलब रणबीर कपूर अनंत अंबानी का बेस्ट फ्रेंड माना जाता है. So Neeta Ambani is like mother to Ranveer and Alia is calling her भाभी. Cringe again, isn't it? हम सबको पता है the Ambanis are the sun in the Indian social solar system, but calling the matriarch भाभी ये एक बहुत ही blatant move है to sound like family. Even जो fans हैं वो भी confused हैं. Is she trying to manifest a permanent seat at the Antilia dinner table? और देखने से ऐसे लगता है जैसे आलिया is desperate for social climbing. It looks awkward for a national award winner like her, and the next she's acting like a distant relative trying to get into the will. It's giving मैं अपनी favorite हूँ energy, but nobody else is on board. By calling Neeta Ambani bhabhi, Alia Bhatt made Neeta Ambani uncomfortable. But when Mrs. Neeta Ambani replied with strange expressions, Alia called her ma'am.
Bobby, please can we have you on stage? Hello. Hello, Alia.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Now let's get into the really dirty things that are happening in Kapoor house. So the perfect Kapoor marriage might not be as luminous as it looks. So Bollywood industry में rumors circulate हो रहे हैं around Casanova habits of Ranbir Kapoor that are dying hard. While he is playing the doting father role, the blind items suggest he is still very much the animal he played on screen, allegedly exploring things outside the matrimonial home and cheating on Alia Bhatt. But guys, रणबीर के extra marital rumors shocking नहीं है, but shocking है Alia's stance on it. उसने ये भी कहा था कि her father महेश भट्ट had met her mother through an extramarital affair.
One word relationship deal breaker for you.
Emotional incident.
Who's more likely to lie about being committed? Jacqueline, Shraddha, Parini.
I think Shraddha.
So guys, right now the netizens are directly comparing Alia's views on emotional infidelity direct to Neetu Kapoor's views on physical infidelity. Guys, ये ऐसा इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि एक ओल्ड प्रिंट इंटरव्यू था which was featuring Neetu Kapoor, resurfaced online a couple of years ago and regularly goes viral on Reddit and other social media platforms. उस प्रिंटेड इंटरव्यू में नीतू कपूर ने बहुत ही कैंडिडली बात करी थी और वो बहुत ही कंट्रोवर्शियल बात थी. इंस्टेड ऑफ डिनाइंग द रूमर्स, नीतू ने ओपनली एडमिट किया था about knowing them and justified her decision to stay, chalking it up to men being men. So she said, I have courting flirting hundreds of times. I always seem to be the first to hear about his affairs on outdoor locations, but I know they are just one night stands. 2 years ago, I used to fight with him about it, but now I have adopted the attitude, go ahead, let's see how long will you do it. और जब नीतू कपूर से पूछा गया कि वाई शी डिडंट केयर, तो उन्होंने कहा, वी हैव बिकम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट ईच अदर. आई नो हिज फैमिली कम्स फर्स्ट, so why should I bother about his feelings? They are just passing fancies. He is too dependent on me. He will never leave me. उन्होंने अपनी बहू आलिया भट्ट की तरह चीटिंग को नॉर्मलाइज करते हुए कहा, I feel that men should be given a certain amount of freedom. They are flirtatious by nature. One cannot bind them. नीतू ने अपना स्ट्रेटजी भी रिवील किया फॉर डीलिंग विद हिज बिहेवियर व्हेन ही केम बैक फ्रॉम शूट्स. She mentioned that her friends in the industry would always tip her off about his activities. Instead of fighting with Rishi Kapoor on these things, she said, mind you, he always owns up to it. What bothers him is that I never fight. I just avoid or ignore him for some time. However, उन्होंने क्लैरिफाई किया अपना एक स्ट्रिक्ट बाउंड्री के बारे में. उन्होंने कहा, if he ever had a very serious long standing affair or wanted to marry someone else, वो उनको घर से बाहर फेंक देंगी. Till now, the netizens are heavily trolling this interview, pointing out the deeply rooted patriarchy in Bollywood marriages. So, जो fans हैं वो frequently draw कर रहे हैं एक parallel between Neetu's quote men should be given freedom and Alia Bhatt's recent statements about emotional infidelity being the only real deal breaker. Critics ने ये भी आर्ग्यू किया है कि Alia is following the exact same playbook as Neetu by accepting physical affairs to keep the Kapoor family image intact. So guys, just like Alia, Neetu had also gave up trying and decided to live it for the sake of her kids. और मुझे ना बहुत ही टेरेबल फील होता है नीतू कपूर और आलिया भट्ट के लिए. पर अब तो ओपनली सबको दिख रहा है कि नीतू इज लिविंग हर बेस्ट लाइफ एवर सिंस हर टायरेनिकल हस्बैंड डाइड. सो गाइस, आपको क्या लगता है? Is Alia Bhatt the PR mastermind we think she is, or is the mask finally slipping? Between the cringe-worthy interviews and the bhabhi comments, ऐसे लगता है कि जैसे Alia Bhatt is trying to convince herself more than us. So guys, what do you think? Is Alia just relatable or is she reaching peak cringe? And do you think she is really okay with Ranveer's nature or is it all for the cameras? Drop your comments below. I want to see the sparks fly. Don't forget to like, subscribe and as always, stay luminous.